Hi everyone, welcome to the Learning Tshivenḓa channel. I hope that you'll enjoy this lesson. Thank you for joining me. Today we will be learning about nature and climate related words. For some words, I'll be mentioning both the singular and plural forms. Tree or trees. Muri or miri. Root. Mudzi, roots, midzi, leaf, tari, leaves, matari, fruit, muchelo, fruits, michelo. Sun, ḓuvha, rain, mvula, clouds, makole, moon, ṅwedzi. Star, naledi, light, tshedza, darkness, swiswi, lightning, lupenyo. Summer, tshilimo, winter, vhuria, river, mulambo, mountain, thavha. Grass, mahatsi, flower or flowers, luvha or maluva, soil, mavu, water, maḓi. Let us now create a few sentences. It is very hot. Ḓuvha ḽi khou fhisa nga maanḓa. Ḓuvha ḽi khou fhisa nga maanḓa. Flowers are beautiful. Maluva onaka. Maluva onaka. It is cloudy. The rain is coming. Huna makole. Mvula I khou ḓa. Huna makole. Mvula I khou ḓa. I want to drink water. Ndi khou ṱoḓa u ṅwa maḓi. Ndi khou ṱoḓa u ṅwa maḓi. Have you spotted any similarities between Tshivenḓa and your home language? If you have, please let me know in the comment section, and please like this video and share it with others so that they can also learn. And if you haven't done so, kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Ndolivhuwa nga maanḓa.